I'm Devin Lockett, the president of BiomedRx Incorporated. BiomedRx is a healthcare technology management firm. We provide medical equipment repair, installation, calibration, preventative maintenance, and electrical safety inspections. We are also specialists in isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. We can provide your annual inspection and recertification of your isolated power systems and give you the documentation required for Joint Commission and NFPA 99 requirements. Through our international service network, we provide an outsourced field service solution for medical device manufacturers. We provide services to all modalities of diagnostic and therapeutic medical equipment, including medical imaging and scientific laboratory equipment, anesthesia, and dialysis. We also provide training in the service of medical equipment. Feel free to browse the pages of our site and remember to give us a call at 424-204-2382 for more information.